Hello and welcome back to the channel. I'm so happy to have you here. If you're someone who loves exploring simple, natural and effective remedies that actually work, you're in the right place. Before we start, please do me a small favor. Hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell icon to stay updated with my latest videos on home remedies, wellness tips, and natural skincare. Your support really helps us grow and continue creating valuable content for you. Now let's get into today's topic, baking soda, something we all have in our kitchen, but few of us realize how powerful and versatile it really is. From soothing skin to whitening teeth, from calming heartburn to deep cleaning your home. Today I'm sharing 10 daily uses of baking soda, with clear instructions on how to use it, when to use it, and what to avoid. Relieves heartburn and indigestion. Baking soda is a natural antacid. When you mix half a teaspoon in a glass of water, it neutralizes excess stomach acid. This can give quick relief from heartburn, bloating, or acid reflux. Use only occasionally, not every day. Overuse can disturb your body's natural pH balance. Natural teeth. Whitener baking soda helps to remove surface stains on your teeth. Mix it with a few drops of water or your toothpaste to make a gentle scrub. Brush for 1 minute, 2 to 3 times a week. It can give you a visibly whiter smile, but be gentle. Avoid daily use. It's mildly abrasive and can wear down enamel. Skin soother for itching and bites. For insect bites, rashes, or sunburn, baking soda works as an anti-inflammatory. Make a paste with water and apply it directly to the affected area. You can also add 2 to 3 tablespoons to bath water for a relaxing and healing soak. Natural underarm deodorant. Baking soda neutralizes body odor by killing odor-causing bacteria. Mix it with water or coconut oil and apply a small amount under your arms. This is a great chemical-free alternative to regular deodorants. Scalp and hair cleanser. If your hair feels heavy with product buildup, baking soda can help. Mix 1 tablespoon with your shampoo and massage into your scalp. It detoxifies the scalp and removes buildup, leaving your hair light and clean. Use only once a week to avoid dryness. Kitchen cleaner. Baking soda is a gentle but powerful cleaner. Sprinkle it on kitchen counters, sinks, or greasy pans. Add a bit of water and scrub. No toxic fumes, no chemicals. It cuts through grease and leaves everything sparkling clean. Foot soak for tired feet. After a long day, soak your feet in warm water with 3 tablespoons of baking soda. It softens rough skin, removes odor, and relaxes sore muscles. You can even add a few drops of essential oil for a spa-like feel. Laundry freshener. Add half a cup of baking soda to your washing machine. It softens clothes, boosts detergent power, and removes stubborn odors. Your laundry will smell fresher without using artificial fragrances. Odor eliminator. Keep a small open box of baking soda in your refrigerator, garbage bin, or even inside shoes. It absorbs foul smells and keeps the space fresh. Natural mouth rinse. Mix half a teaspoon in a glass of warm water and use it as a mouthwash. It helps neutralize acids, freshens your breath, and keeps your mouth clean, naturally. Bonus tip and safety. Here's a bonus. Baking soda can also be used to clean fruits and vegetables. Just soak your produce in a solution of baking soda and water to remove pesticides and dirt. Important tips to remember. Don't overuse it on skin or teeth. Never drink large amounts. It can be dangerous. Always do a patch test before applying to sensitive skin. I hope today's video helped you see just how useful baking soda can be in daily life. If you learned something new today, please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe if you haven't already. And let me know in the comments which use surprised you the most or which one you're going to try first. Until next time, stay healthy, stay natural.